Christianak here in the Aumovio booth, CES 2026. We're going to take a look at their window projection solutions. This is Jan. There we go. Please explain what we're looking at here.
Chris. So what you see here, we have basically the demonstrator. We also had as a CES 25, where we first showcased our outside window projection to the world. It has been a year ago, but the feedback was amazing because OEMs were impressed by the quality and the experience because of a new product they received here. But the question we always got was, how do we connect this? What is the kind of ecosystem behind? Do you have something? And this is a big update we have now for the CES 26 because we worked on. So coming to how it works, what do we see? We have here on top a projector, which is mounted on the inside of the passenger cabin. And this projector, this is the markup of the projector. Yeah, basically, exactly. This is a 3D print of the projector. It's a LED DLP projector. It has a power consumption of roughly 30 watt and a maximum brightness outputs of 190 lumens. And overall, we will achieve a packaging of less than 1 liter at the target. Okay, so this projector is inside the cabin. However, we're independent of the vehicle architecture. So we have solutions, no matter what. We have a quite generic approach to show to OEMs, which they already appreciate very much. Okay. The second part of this system is the window. The window is our projection screen. It was also this last time. We have inside this demonstrator a switchable foil. However, we're also able to present and develop static foil because what we need is always a tinted, dark scatter foil. Now we have both options for each OEM: entry level, only static, or if we go to a high-end version with a PDLC switchable foil.
And this is what we're looking at here is this PDLC, which is embedded in, which is laminated inside this glass. Which is, as you mentioned earlier, already a production grade product out there.
Not for this case, it's for some protection. So, but PDLC switchable foils exactly are in automotive, well known and established.
Okay, and the idea here is really trying to use already qualified components, the projector, the PDLC glass, which has been in luxury cars to date, to kind of move fast, basically.
Or maybe reusing, exactly. Reusing what is available. And as we see, the appearance we are quite happy with. And most important, the OEMs are also quite happy with.
Gotcha. And then your secondary foil you want to develop would be a very basic diffuser screen, a tinted diffuser screen, which would then could be retrofitted by a user, a simple lamination on the window. They will go out and buy a little Pico projector, and this could be very useful for an Uber or Lyft driver, for example.
That would be an option, exactly. Yep. So it's retrofit is an option we have into account, and it has no conflict in doing such thing. Technique is available.
Right. Okay. Gotcha. And then longer term, if you wanted to have an interior display, which is what a lot of companies are showing, you might go to a holographically defined film.
I'm not saying we're not holographic only. The holographic could be an option. Honestly, we're technique open. We also have different foils. This foil is not for the inside projection, only for outside projection.
Right.
But we have also foils, not holographic, foils for the inside project. But we have to split always what is the use case. No lunch is for free. You always have to make sure what do you want to do, outside, inside, and then make a proper choice.
Right. Exactly. Yeah. And sometimes that gets confused. If people are talking about outside projection and inside projection. So I'm glad you clarified.
You have to be very careful, but in the end, it's a user decision. What do you want? What do you need? Outside, inside. Yeah. And our biggest new part is now, this is a new step from the CES 25. We have a complete ecosystem developed. The ecosystem is a cloud. So our projector has embedded software, which is able to communicate with our in-house cloud. So what does this mean? We can securely download content from the cloud to our projector, and by this streaming the content to the window. So the good part is it can be controlled via a simple app the end user can use. So this is also something we develop. And what we also then have is, of course, the option that via the cloud, each projector can be controlled. Each projector has an ID, and this means each projector on each car could be, for example, we could define which videos or file or image are streamed outside there. And the good part is our projector is tagged by GPS. So this means GPS and time-based, we exactly can define, according to OEM's need, what do you want to see, what do you not want to see. Sometimes it's also important. I don't want to see this brand. I don't want to see this football club. And by this having a really specified, unique, car-defined solution for everybody.
So in other words, you display a McDonald's ad when you go past McDonald's and not in front of a Burger King.
Exactly. It would be no problem at all. It's like adding playlists to the car, to the projector from the cloud, telling them in this area, avoid Burger King.
Gotcha.
Awesome.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
No problem.